Hello and welcome back to Zoo Building. Basically when I opened up the world, I had my screencast-o-matic all set up and everything. But I spawned in here because this is where I left off playing because, well, I left off playing with you guys, and that I sort of had to just quickly exit because our guests were here for the party, or some of them, and my dad had to do something, so he needed me to go downstairs, and when I have this thing set up, I can't open the door or do really anything, break any blocks, put any blocks down until I click the recording button, which is why if I don't play in between times that I think I should video, which is when I get my screencast-o-matic set up and stuff, and between the time when I finish, I don't really do any work because I can't. And so I thought I wouldn't just go in a corner, and morning you did that, but I thought I would start out with all our puppies. And I thought, actually, to tell you the truth, I just came up with this idea, but I thought our puppies have been really good. I mean, really, Lily died, and she's back with us, and she's been a strong little puppy. She hasn't even complained. And it's like they're living in a house right now. And Sheepy doesn't have any grass to eat or any mountains to climb, and that is bad because Sheepy is a mountain goat. She was a mountain sheep. She was actually she actually wandered off that cliff over there. Well, basically, sorry, let me just do. By the way, I'm doing this because the rain is really mean to me. And that means that sometimes my house, there can be a lightning strike, and then all my hard work is gone to waste. But so, quickly, I'm going to go into creative mode. I know I don't like to do that, but I mean, come on, I need a roof on my house. You just saw all the rain pouring down. Oh, dang. T/game mode. Creative. Okay, done. Here we go. Now T/time set day. There we go. Now, this is just because I am going to make my little house stairs things. And I have decided, I'm very sorry, I didn't actually look at any of your comments, but we need a roof, okay? I can't just wait for you guys to comment. If you guys have, I'm sorry, I haven't checked comments. I know, how lazy am I? We flying from... And honestly, I make a little lip of like 2 or 3 stairs, but I'll wait till the end because I might just pause this so that when I click play, you guys, it'll be done or almost done, because I don't really want to make you guys sit through this. But on the other hand, I only have 20 minutes, and like, you know, worst case scenario, we'll just abandon this, and then afterwards, when I'm done, oh, actually, I can't do that. I just forgot. I was going to say that afterwards I'm done recording, I'm going to just, like, do this, but I can't do that because my video is uploading, and honestly, you probably can, but I feel like it'll be a real tough challenge for my PC to be running both me like my video being downloaded and me playing my Minecraft. So I feel like it's just gonna die and explode on me if I don't just do it like this. Oh, and the other problem with doing this in survival is you have to get all the way up, and then once you're up, you fall off a lot. Trust me, like, I've done this before in survival, and it is not a fun experience. It's basically like saying, either I can do this in creative mode and give you guys and let you guys watch, or I can do it off camera and probably sacrifice 2 days of work and 2 episodes will be gone. I know, I'm a strict person. I'm sorry. I shouldn't be like this. You are gonna leave and it's gonna be sad. I'm gonna be all alone. I probably shouldn't be so mean because then you guys might leave and that would be very sad. Not because I'm getting any money, but because I want people to watch this. Like, what's the point of having a YouTube channel if nobody's watching it? Except for I know that Tim, you're watching these, and I don't know if anybody else is watching it. But if you are, please comment down below so that I know it's you. And the reason why I can't just check the views is Tim likes to watch my videos ridiculously, like over and over and over again. So right now my video says 10 views, but Tim watched it 9 times and I watched it once. So yeah, comment down below if it's you watching this, because it would make me feel a whole lot less lonely. We flying from the sky. Mojo, mojo, mojo. Sorry, that's Claire venting her song with the beginning. It's like, dun 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 dun, mojo, mojo, dun 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 dun. You should just search up Claire venting, and then you'll see her intro in any one of her videos. You should really watch her video where she brings Owen into that hardware store. Oh my god, I love horses, and I always watch videos like that, and when I'm older, I'm so gonna bring one of my horses into a hardware store. I feel like putting on some hoof protectors and stuff so that he doesn't step on it. He or she, my horse, won't step anything and break his hoof. But then like riding in there, that would be amazing. Oh no, sheep is getting wet and he get mad. Oh yeah. And we will be getting Sheep a pen. Sheep is his nickname for now. It might just become his name because I really like Sheep. Why do I always click it twice? Right, because before the update came out, you had to click it twice. Geez, time flies. It's almost 8 minutes already. And yes, I do keep a very eagle's eye on that because I only have 15 minutes and I don't want to just be like talking to you guys. And it's like, yeah, so I really love trees. And then, yeah, because one day there was a bear chasing me and I hugged the tree and it teleported me away. And then suddenly, like, I'm in the middle of a word and the thing just goes off. But worst case scenario, we'll just sort of let it run through and turn off by itself. But dang, I might just sort of leave my roof. Yeah, I'm gonna leave my roof and then we're gonna do something special. Don't worry, I survived. I'm in cheated. Survival. Okay, we're in survival, peoples. Oh, right. T/give. Northern Wolf. I know, my brother taught me so many commands. I'm like the cheater. Like, my brother taught me so many commands, and I'm so I'm thinking of the word, so dependent on them that I can't have a world without cheats. I tried. It was called No Cheatsies. And I deleted it because I never wanted to play. Because I couldn't sleep through the rain or I couldn't do anything. It was sad. I was just stuck. It was in a survival situation. Okay. Diamond. Hello, sheepy. Sheep. Okay, diamond pickaxe. Honestly, I think I already have one, but who cares? T/E. So we're almost there. We're almost out of time. So I'm sorry if this just goes off, because sometimes I'll look and it'll be like 14 minutes, 50 seconds, or 55 seconds, and I'll be like, okay, sorry, bye, and it'll be like, okay, sorry, and then it'll go off, so you won't hear bye, but sorry if that happens. Okay, Damn, I can't do it. Ugh. T/game mode creative. Let me just do this quickly in creative. I gotta make myself a very special pickaxe, and I always do that. I do that in creative, just to give myself a little push to tell myself I can do it. And I make like 1 or 2 axes, 1 or 2 pickaxes, and they're all enchanted like heavily. So that, and then it's like I call them special names, and I always have one that's like Silk Touch, Unbreaking, blah blah blah. Okay, and your name will be Silka. And that's just for now, because later on I'll give you guys a chance to vote on its name. Let me just, do we have Unbreaking in this section, or do I have, yes, Unbreaking. Ooh, and Fortune. Because fortune means that if I break diamonds or something. Oh no! I forgot. It can't do that. It's so sad. It's so tragic. Okay, I got my thing. T/time set day. Dang, we only have like 3 minutes left. Time really flies. And the reason why I actually have time to do this, we're actually going to play Magic. Oh, dang. T/game. Me and my brother and my dad are going to play Magic. And if you guys know what Magic is, please comment down below. It is such a fun game. If you don't know, go check it out online or something. It is so fun, and we have it. And the other night, we were playing it, but the power was off, and me and my family, that just makes us really sleepy. Tell me if it happens to you too. And it makes us really sleepy, and so we all had to go to bed. Oh no, it's not time set day. It's W tab, C tab. See, I need the power to turn that off, like, quickly. And I know you can sleep through thunderstorms, but I don't know, it's like, it's too hard to get to a bed, and I feel like everything I created could just be struck by lightning and destroyed forever. The tragedy of 2018. Ella McBride's house is struck down by lightning. Okay, and this is going to be the sheepy corner. That's what it's going to be called. Roll with it, people. Roll with it. It's the sheepy corner. And yes, I will be giving him a little mountain too, but it is going to be my sheepy corner. And my sheepy needs a corner, because if he doesn't, I think he might be able to die. No, I'm just kidding. I won't do something like that. If I knew my sheepy could die, if he didn't have grass, guys, I think we would have grass. By now, yeah, I think we would have grass. If my sheep, sorry, I got caught on that one. I think if my sheep could die without grass, we would have a bit of grass by now. Like, I'm a quick learner. But if I shear Mr.